Hi guys, so today we're gonna make some slime. So all you need is a bowl, some glue, some lotion, and some slime activator. So what you need is to put some of your glue in. Like that. Then just put your lotion in and then just stir it all up. Just put a little bit. Then just mix it really good. Once you're done mixing it, put some slime activator. Then just mix it all up. There is your slimes. All done, you're all done. Then just play with it for a little. And then when you're done, just grab a marker. When you're done, just knead it a little bit. And then once you're done kneading it, just put some marker to give it color. And then you're done. That's all you need to do. Bye.